Hello everyone, welcome to Thai Food for Phram. My name is Summer. I'm the chef of Thai Box on Track. During the quarantine, everyone have a hard time to go out buy Thai food, right? And most you guys probably know red curry, green curry, yellow curry. But today I'm gonna introduce you to another curry dish. So today I'm gonna show you how to make Massaman chicken. So let's see what do we have for the ingredients. So Massaman, the ingredient what we need is chicken breast. You can use chicken thigh or chicken leg. Normally Thai people we use chicken thigh and leg, but I'm using chicken breast because it's healthier. And next is potato. The potato you have to boil it first, make it soft, and then the carrot. Also carrot, you need to boil and make it soft first. Onion, coconut milk, Massaman curry paste. But this time, I'm using Maproy brand for the Massaman curry paste. I find the Maproy, this brand is very authentic. Oil is canola oil, tamarind juice, sugar, salt, fish sauce, palm sugar, and we top shallot, crispy shallot on top when we done. So let's see how to make it. So we start cooking. We put the oil in here and stir fry the Massaman curry paste. So we stir fry the Massaman curry paste with the oil, and then we put some coconut milk to stir fry also, make it smell good. So when the curry smells good, then we put the chicken breast in there and cook it. Stir fry first. Cook the chicken, and when you cook the chicken, you can put the ingredient now. We put the sauce for 2. So now the chicken is cooked. We put the onion and keep boiling first. And usually we put the peanut for the Massaman curry. And if you guys are allergic with the peanut, then you don't have to cook it. So after you boiling the onion, then we put tamarind juice. The Massaman curry has a taste of sweet, salty, and sour, a little bit sour. So we put the tamarind juice around 2 tablespoons. Then you put the carrot, the carrot that you boil already, and potato. Okay, now we cook more. So now everything is cooked. You can taste it first. That's the taste you like. Wow, so good. It's perfect. I don't need to put anything else. We put in the bowl, ready to serve. We put the crispy shallot on top. So now Massaman curry is ready. Massaman is ready now. If you like our video, please click like and subscribe. And follow us next time what we're gonna make for you guys for the Thai dish. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!